Hi everyone, welcome back to The Knot. I'm Joanna Krupnick, owner and head calligrapher at Order She Wrote. I work with many couples helping them create their perfect wedding invitations. For most, picking out your stationery is the fun part. Accurately addressing the wedding invitations, not so much. So here are some of our favorite do's and don'ts when it comes to addressing envelopes for different scenarios. Do use full names. Always use full given names as opposed to nicknames. Include titles like Doctor, PhD, Esquire, where appropriate, and if you're not sure, ask. Don't abbreviate the generational suffixes senior or junior. Do include serious partners and plus ones by name whenever possible, as opposed to writing and guest. Don't abbreviate state names. Write out the full name of a state rather than using its two-letter abbreviation. Don't abbreviate north, south, east, west. Spell out numeric street names. For example, write 67th Street rather than use the numbers 6 and 7. Do fully spell out street suffixes like lane, court, street, road, and so on. Do be super clear about if children are invited. Include them on the envelope by adding "and family" after their parents' names. Do keep in mind who's divorced. Calling someone a Mrs. when they're not anymore might ruffle some feathers. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more about Order She Wrote and how we can work together to design your perfect wedding invitations, check out my links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to The Knot for more wedding planning videos. See you next time!